subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get the updates instantaneously.
Hello everyone and welcome to MHC Tech Talks. In today's video, I am going to tell you few of the tips and tricks of the Oxygen OS. So basically I have the OnePlus 70 with me, and all the tricks which I am going to tell you would be applicable for OnePlus 70, OnePlus 70 Pro and all the other OnePlus devices with Oxygen OS. I mean, more or less some features may not be available for all the devices, but almost it would be there. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So let's start with the display. I mean, the display is of quite good quality for this phone. I mean, this one has got the Super AMOLED display with 90Hz refresh rate. So there are few settings which you can do, and I mean, which most of the people don't know. So for that you just need to head into the settings, and then you can just go into display. And then the first thing is you can choose between the screen refresh rate. I mean, by default it is set to 90 Hz, but you can set it between 60 to 90 Hz. If you set it at 60 Hz, you'll save more battery, but if you want to have that extra smooth feeling, then you can keep it at 90 Hz refresh rate. Apart from that, the OnePlus 70 and OnePlus 70 Pro have got the night mode. I mean, this is very handy. If you are using your phone at night time, I would recommend you all to turn on the night mode, because it reduces the blue light directly into your eyes, and which is good for your eyes. So I would recommend doing that. Then we also have a reading mode in this one. So if you are someone who reads a lot of ebooks or PDFs on your mobile phone, then I would surely recommend you to have a look at these settings. And then we have some customizations for status bar, which you yourself can have. Guys, the next thing which most of the people don't know about the OnePlus 70 is the game mode which they have provided. So that this is something very good which you all can try. So I'll just suggest you to give it a try. So you can just click on the game space, and all the games installed in your phone would be displayed to you. And then we have something called as fanatic mode. If you turn it on, then it will have following features, like it will block all the notifications and call. Then it will boost your game. I mean, it will restrict the background so that the game performance is increased and so on. So that you can turn on and off using this game mode. And there are other settings which you can use if you are into gaming. I mean, and these settings would be mostly useful when you are playing PUBG, because at times it happens that you are playing and suddenly you get a call and notification which disturbs you from playing. So this is also one thing which you can do. And then there is something which I like about the new OnePlus 70 is the ambient mode. I mean, at times as you all know, this one has got the Super AMOLED display, so it consumes a lot of battery if you always keep it on. So the ambient display mode, when turned on, saves a lot of battery. So for that, again, you can just head to the settings, and once you go to the settings, you need to go to display. And once you are at display, you have that option of ambient display, so you can just select and you can just customize between them. So it saves a lot of battery, and I would recommend you all to have that settings for you. So very good thing about the Oxygen OS is the level of customization which it provides. So again, you can head over to customizations from the settings option, and you can, I mean, customize almost everything in your mobile phone, right from wallpapers to clocks style, and then the fingerprint animation which we have. So all this can be customized using this. Then you can customize the system customization. Then you can select which color the icon should be displayed, then the shape of the icons. Then we have the icons pack. Then we have font. You can even choose from the fonts, as you can see. And I mean, these level of optimization I haven't seen in any of the operating system as of now. I mean, the skin, this one is the Oxygen OS, so it provides high level of customization, and that is what it is known for. So you can just give it a try by going into customization and then selecting various icons and various styles which suits your personality. So the next thing which I would like to display is we already talked about reading mode. So there is quick toggle available in the notification section, I mean the toggle section. and you can just turn on your reading mode from here itself. You can select the effect, chromatic effect or mono effect. And the next thing which I am going to tell you about is the Zen Mode. This is something very good which is recently launched by OnePlus, and you can just select like for how many duration you have to set this up, and for that defined duration your phone would be, I mean, you cannot use your phone for any apps for except for picking up the calls. So this is something very good which we all should follow. I mean, we are so much using phones these days that at least we should give rest to our phones for 20 minutes. So this is also one of the features you can yourself explore. There are various settings and various charts being displayed which you can have a look. So guys, finally I would also like to tell you something about the digital well-being and parental control. So I mean, if you're going to give this phone to your children or someone, if you want that, you should have the controls like what your child should be watching and how much duration he should be watching. So you can just check out the settings, and there are various apps which Google has, and you can just sign in with your Google account in various devices and then just track the usage of the phones and the apps which your child is using. So that is also there, and that can be done with the help of this digital well-being and parental control. And last but not the least, there is also features for the button and gesture. As you all know, the OnePlus has this slider button, so you can assign few of the functionalities to this slider by this menu. And also navigation bar and gestures are there. I personally don't prefer to use the gesture much, so I have not set the gestures on, but once you click on the navigation gestures, there are other options by which you can just perform various gestures to perform the various actions or activities in your phone. So guys, hope you like this video about the various hidden features of the OnePlus, or rather I must say the Oxygen OS. I mean, all other features mostly the users know, but these are the few settings which usually the users don't know. So hope you guys like this video, and if you are new and if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, so please subscribe to our channel and please hit like button because it motivates me to create the video. And also, if you know some other hidden secrets about OnePlus or the Oxygen OS, please comment down below, and then maybe it would be helpful for everyone. So that is all for today's video. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys in next one.